Yo, 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 yo. How are we doing? Yes, sir. We out here. Bingo. Hold on, let me get everything pulled up. Let's see. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. No, I don't want to upload a YouTube video. I want to go live. I'm on YouTube. There we go. How we all doing on this fine morning? This beautiful Tuesday morning. Yo. So, I actually took a lot of trades yesterday, a lot more than I typically do. But let me tell you, that Tesla reject was on point. On point. So if you guys were in the live stream yesterday, we talked about two trades. Or actually, we talked about a bunch of trades, but two trades specifically. The first one being Tesla. If you guys remember, I talked about why I really liked this 287.50 area for a possible reject. We had Friday's low at 287.50, plus we had the 1 hour 21 EMA, which is typically your reversal point. So it added double confluence at this 287.50 area. And as we see, Tesla pumped up to that level, boom, boom, boom. And if you got short with me, you banked off of this. Unfortunately, I didn't hold it all the way down to the low. If I would have held that entire thing, that would have been absolutely ridiculous. But 287.50 smacked, the Amazon reject smacked, and then we talked about the QQQ pump going into the open. Remember the tick rule. I talk about the tick rule all the time. And again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. But typically when we have big gap downs in the morning, if you look at the tick and the tick opens at negative 1500 or below negative 1500, the odds of us pumping until the tick gets back to zero is very high. So if we look at QQQ, what did this thing do? It pumped until we got to zero. And that, yeah, pretty much, what was that? 955, 940. Yeah, so we topped, here's 940, pretty much at zero, 940. So that's the tick rule. It's super simple. Negative 1500 or even below. There's been times where we open at like negative 1720. So look for your calls, take it back to zero. Beautiful move. And let me get live for everybody on TikTok so they don't miss out on what we got to talk about today. We got a lot. I am looking at some oil swings. I wanted crude oil to pull back. We got the pullback today, so I will be looking to enter. Let's see. Get live. Beautiful. In my pajama pants and everything. I'm ready to print today. Hopefully you guys are as well. Again, if you guys are in the YouTube live stream, make sure to click that like button. We got 112 people in here, 38 likes. Run up the likes. You guys get the watch list. Anyways. So I would say if you guys are looking for swing trades, oil is going to be the place to look. So if we're looking at oil on the daily time frame, you can see that we broke above this falling wedge right here. At the same time, we have this slingshot squeeze with the red dots while we're holding above the 8 and 21 EMA. The odds of crude oil and this squeeze firing up are a lot higher than crude oil going down. So as long as we continue to hold 93.19 on the crude oil futures, we're more than likely going to go up. So I will be looking for swings specifically in Oxy. That's what I really like, but we need Oxy to hold that 76.11. I was looking for a swing there yesterday. Thank God we didn't get into it because we'd be down a significant amount this morning. But 76.11 is going to be my level. So we need to watch crude oil futures, and hopefully we can get a nice little swing off of that. Anyways, so again, how'd everybody do yesterday? Did you guys do good? Did you guys make money, lose money? Let me know in the chat, in the YouTube live stream. And then, real quick, let's make a poll. Do we pump or dump today? Pump. Dump. There we go, baby. Make sure you guys... Horrible. What happened yesterday? How'd you have a horrible day? Also, am I loud enough for you guys in the YouTube live stream? Or am I like quiet? I can talk a lot louder. Let's see. Let's pull up the weekly watch list. Made money, lost money on snow. How'd you lose money on snow? How's that even possible? Didn't you guys like print on snow? Let's see. Tesla. We want the daily chart. There we go. All right. So here's the daily. And then we want the 4-hour. And then 1 hour. Bingo. Okay, so if Tesla, we're just gonna have to clean this chart. This is ridiculous. Okay, if Tesla breaks 292.5, I'll be interested, or break below 280, I'll be interested. Get Tesla on the list. Voice is fine, perfect. There you go. That QQQ call that we took off of that 61.8% retracement yesterday for the day trade was nasty. If you guys got that with me, you made money. Regardless. Sent out the signal and everything. Talked about it in the live stream on Discord saying, yeah, we're holding the 61.8 very nicely. Sent out the signal and everything. Said in the voice chat, I entered QQQ calls. And it went nasty. Airbnb, AMD. Let's see. How's AMD looking? AMD, honestly, below 89.26, I'd be interested. So 89.26 or above 90.13. Yeah, Discord was tripping yesterday. It was annoying. I got a trading psychology video dropping tonight. I think you guys are going to like it. Honestly, I'm probably going to be watching both sides today. Let's see, AMD. And then I want to see, do we have anything on the economic calendar? Also, if you guys didn't see, on Amazon, your boy's book is back at #1 for the new releases. So that's pretty fire. Let's pull this on over right here. New Age of Technical Analysis, #1 new release, baby. We got that #1 back. I love it. I love you guys. Thank you guys for getting me to #1. I greatly appreciate it. For the people on TikTok that don't know what I'm talking about, this is my book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, 450 pages. If you guys do want to learn more about my trading strategy, there it is right there. But, yeah, so let's look at this economic calendar. Let's see what we got today. All right, so we have a Fed speaker. He's already talking. Then we have the home price index at 9, which is going to obviously have an effect on the market. Consumer confidence and job openings and quits at 10 o'clock. So that's going to be very important. Cool. So, hold on. And for the people that are in the YouTube live stream and didn't even know that my book dropped, make sure you guys pick up a copy. Here's the link right here. #1 new release on Amazon. There's a reason we got #1, baby. Anyway, so I like AMD. Let's look at Boeing. See what we got going on there. Boeing bounced off that trend line yesterday, so that's kind of what has me interested in that, because remember, we have this ascending triangle. Ideally, I'm looking for the break of 173.85, but 168, I mean, doesn't look too bad for a possible day trade. I know Boeing's banned, but, you know, sometimes we got to get over that. Boeing, DBA, looking for a swing here. Again, if you guys are in the YouTube live stream, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Coca-Cola, looking for the swing. Microsoft. Actually, looks like Microsoft's kind of, let's see, got like a little rounding bottom going on right here. Let's see, 26859 or maybe some puts. We'll see. But I like if we crack above there. Microsoft, Nvidia. Somebody was asking about Nvidia. Buy me in 24 hours. Nvidia, nice little 1 hour squeeze. It filled that gap yesterday. We can watch a video. I like that 1 hour squeeze. The video's getting drilled though. Video. Might be time for a bounce. How we doing over here on the TikTok? How you guys doing on this fine morning? Let me know in the chat. Also, if you guys ever have a question, YouTube or TikTok, feel free to ask. I will be answering them. Oxy, we already looked at that. I think Tesla. Yeah, we already looked at Tesla. Cool. Let's pull up the squeeze scanner. What do we got? What's your opinion on the trade idea scanner website? I honestly don't use any website to find trades. I find them all myself because I look for such a specific setup that no scanner besides the custom scanners that I had built for ThinkorSwim, no website or any of that is going to find that for me. So I think websites like Flow Algo, Flow Cheddar, all the flow services and stuff like that, even trade ideas, they're not worth it. Just a waste of money. Apple, we got a 1 hour squeeze. Question is, do we fire down or do we fire up? So we are getting above that 1 hour 21. Be interested to see if we get above 163.34. And then we can look for some entries for puts as well. Let's see. Apple. Again, if you guys are in the YouTube live stream, make sure to click that like button. We got 200 people in here and only 83 likes. If you guys want the watch list, run it up to 150 likes. And you guys will get it. Ball is in your court. Let's see. Amazon. Kind of looks like we got that 4 hour flag on Amazon. See what happens with that. Let's see. Break above here. Calls. Break below there. Puts. Amazon. We already looked at Boeing, Baba, don't care about Costco, don't care about GME, don't care about Google. Not interested in Google today. Meta's got a 1 hour squeeze. 160.48 for puts, 161.78 for calls. Meta. Got a pretty big list today. We looked at Microsoft. Netflix, don't care about. QQQ. Okay, so QQQ, I'd be interested above 308.39 for calls if we get up there. Roku, Shopify. Yeah, I use ThinkorSwim scanners specifically for a TTM squeeze. Shopify, don't care about. SPY. SPY actually looks weak. QQQ looks kind of strong. Same thing, 4 hour bear flag. We'll see what happens there. And then I think we looked at Tesla. Yep. Cool. So we got Tesla, AMD, Boeing, Microsoft, Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, and Meta. So now what we got to do, we got to narrow down the list, see what we like, what we don't like, get 3 to 4 setups, and then we will go from there. Again, if you guys are in the YouTube live stream, make sure to click that like button. We got 225 people up in here and only 113 likes. 150 like is the goal. Let's see. Some of the scanners are premium, and I was given them by the people that made the TTM squeeze. So unfortunately, I can't give them out. And the TTM squeeze is a one-time payment. I don't know where you got $1,000 from. $1,000 a year, one-time payment for the TTM squeeze. Let's see. I don't use volume profile, so I don't know. I was making a full-time income from trading. Well, you also got to think I was working minimum wage, so it's very easy to replace my income. But I would say, let's see, we're 2022 now. Probably like December of 2019, January of 2020. But I still worked my job all the way up until last March because I worked with special needs. I enjoyed it. So yeah, I got paid minimum wage. But I continued to work the job just because I liked it. But then eventually trading and everything else got to be too much. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna, just quit it. I didn't really have the time. But in order for everybody, how do you get your support and resistance lines? Monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. But everybody's going to be different to replace their incomes because remember, I'm only 23. So to replace an income at 20 years old was super easy to do. Super easy. I could make $50 a day and that replaced my income from my job. So everybody's going to be different. We'll see. Honestly, 400, that's pretty far-fetched. I mean, we could go down there. SPY does look weak, but we'll see. Tesla. Let's start at the top of the list. Let's see what we like. Okay, so Tesla 292.5. I like that level. That would get us back up above the moving averages. And then let's see, where can we go from there? Person's pivots. All right, so we do have a weekly pivot at 292.68. We got to be careful about that. 292.68 makes Tesla a little lower probability. We'll see, though. Come back to Tesla. What else do we like? Joey, I would talk to a financial advisor about that one. AMD. I feel like AMD is going to crack that level before the market even opens. So we'll come back to that one. Boeing or Microsoft. Microsoft's breaking the levels, of course. About to be one of those days, huh? A nice little gap that we can fill down to here. Definitely feel like that's going to break, but we're going to put it on the list because I do like NVIDIA to the downside for a number of reasons. Let's see, that was post-market low, pretty much yesterday's low, same level. And then what do our person's pivots say? We can go a lot lower. Perfect. Start cracking above. We could see yesterday's high. Are we near any SMAs? Nope, we are below all the SMAs on NVIDIA. Okay, so I'm going to watch NVIDIA both ways. This thing could really drop if we start breaking down, especially with that squeeze. Let's see. We're looking for the break. 159.16. The 157 area is huge. Cool. Let's watch NVIDIA both ways. Start breaking above 163.38. If it breaks above it, I think we can start getting some nice movement to the upside. 168.15. Cool. NVIDIA is going on the list. Not much blocking it. Cool. Let's do this. Could even reject it off of yesterday's high. It's a possible level. Tons of different scenarios could happen with NVIDIA. All right, so NVIDIA. Again, if you guys are in the YouTube live stream, make sure to click that like button. 250 people up in here, and we got, let's see, 136 likes, running up to 150 likes. You guys get the watch list. And again, in case you guys didn't know, my new trading book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, is officially on Amazon. #1 new release. So if you guys want to pick up a copy, there is a link right there. Anyways, let's get NVIDIA. NVIDIA looking for a possible break below 159.6 for puts. Equal. Let's see, 158.84. In case you guys did not know, I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. So if you guys are not subscribed to the YouTube channel and you're not following me on TikTok, because I'm live on TikTok as well, you guys are missing out. Let's see, 153.97. Also looking for a break above. Yeah, and if you guys did get the book, if you guys could leave a review on Amazon, it would help a lot. Look for a break 161.76. It could literally be like 2 sentences. Yeah, that's what the Amazon link is, the physical book. 161.76. For pause, price target equal 163.38. We'll look for a reject above there. Can see 168.15. Whoops. Cool. There's our NVIDIA. DM me on Instagram or Twitter with a screenshot of your book purchase, and I'll get you in the book Discord. Watching NVIDIA both ways. So there's that one. And then Apple actually looked pretty interesting today. I think Apple was squeezing. Yes, it was. So, I mean, Apple, I would personally like it more to the upside above 163.34. That doesn't look bad. Take it back up to that daily 21. Let's see where's first pivots. There we go. We are sitting at the daily 200 SMA on Apple. We closed above it yesterday, actually. So person's pivots say Apple could potentially see 166.08. One 16456. Yeah, Apple's it has room. Nope, that doesn't count. Got a level right there. Cool. One more. Bingo. Yeah, so let's watch Apple. Honestly, I kind of like it to the upside. Nah, what do you guys think about Grizzly doing the voiceover for what is it? Audible? Is that what they call it on Amazon? Let's get Grizzly to do it. And it's really going to be a #1 seller. What do you guys think? Should Grizzly do the audible version of the book? Yeah, honestly, we're going to watch Apple to the upside. If it shows a possible downside entry, then I'll watch it. But I'm more interested in the upside on Apple. Apple, more interested in the upside. If we get an intraday put setup, I will look to the downside. For now, looking for a break above 163.34 for calls. If that happens, 1 hour squeeze should fire up. Price target equal 164.56, 165.02, 165.5, 166.08. I'll let them know that you guys are saying this. I don't even know what Savage sounds like. I've known him for over a year. I sent him one of my wedding cards. I still don't know what he sounds like. All right, there's Apple. And then what else we got? We got Amazon. I stutter too much. It would take me days. No, not even days, weeks to finish that book. To do a voiceover. You guys should hear some of the raw footage that I do for the YouTube videos. Sometimes it gets really bad. I get pissed off and get up and walk away for a second, take a breath, and then come back and try again. All right, Meta. 5901, 16305. You vote my voice. Yeah, do a different versions. Get the audible version featuring Grizzly, audible version featuring Brandon. I love it. All right, let's watch this this Meta. I kind of like that setup. Oh wait, isn't yeah, so 16181 is the level we want to watch. 5637. All right, let's run through the list again real quick. Again, if you guys are in the YouTube live stream, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Also, make sure you're subscribed. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Give you guys a watch list completely free for the day. So, Tesla. I don't think Tesla is going to make it to the list today. I like NVIDIA over AMD. Let's look at Boeing. How about a female voice? I mean, we can. Which female would you like to do the voiceover of the book? I can try to get Kim Kardashian. No promises. I can try. Microsoft is breaking. We already talked about NVIDIA. We talked about Apple, Amazon. I think, yeah, we're going to put NVIDIA. Or not NVIDIA. Meta. And I'd probably just watch Spying QQQ after that, to be honest with you. Boom. Huh. Meta. Watching both ways. Looking for a break below 160.48 for puts. Price target equal 159. 158.7. 156.38. Above 161.81 for calls. Price target equal 163.05. 164.02. I definitely feel like this meta is going to break before market opens, but I like the setup. So there's three things that I really like today. It just really depends, do they stay and not break before the market opens, or do they just do exactly what we don't want to happen? So we like Nvidia. Put that on the list. Apple, which is already on the list. And then, what's the other one? Meta. And then obviously SPY and QQQ are babies. So for the overall market today, what I'm thinking is, first off, Apple is going to be the most important. If Apple breaks and it goes up, more than likely the market's going to follow. But let's actually look at the technicals on QQQ and SPY. I trade live in Discord every day. QQQ, in order for us to be bullish, we got crack pre-market highs, 308.4. Crack below yesterday's low. We're more than likely going to continue lower. And then SPY. Let's see. I mean, if anything, SPY looks pretty weak. And we do have those bear flags, so, just keep cautious of that. Somebody said TLT is getting destroyed. No, it's not. Oh, now it is. I see. Wonder what that one's all about. Cool, but we did hit the 150 like goal. So again, if you guys could, make sure to subscribe. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. In case you guys did not know, my trading book is officially on Amazon. So if you guys do want to pick up a copy, feel free to do so. No, I'm not doing one-on-one sessions anymore. It's going to be strictly mentorship classes only. And I'm not going to be doing another mentorship until probably March or April. So just stay patient. I'm redoing the entire way that I do mentorships. I want to bring a lot more value than what I've been teaching. I want to do a mentorship kind of like I've never done one before. So going to be working on that on the back end. Again, maybe like March or April is when I'll do it. But as far as the one-to-ones, I don't do them anymore. Just don't have the time. So yeah, I'm gonna get the wait list out probably within a couple months. Anyways, I don't know what happened with TLT. There must have been news. Let's see. Nvidia. There's that. Apple. Gotta make it fit the 200 characters. There's Apple. And then here's Meta. And we're going to be watching our babies SPY and QQQ. If you guys are in the Discord, make sure to go run up them reactions in my channel. If you guys are not in the Discord and you do want to trade live with me and like 7 or 8 other traders, here's the link for that. You guys can join there. Anything you need from me, Twitter, Instagram, Bookmap, TTM Squeeze, Discord, whatever it is, it's all in this link right here, my beacons page. So you guys need anything from me, it's all going to be in there. And yeah, other than that, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. So as always, options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So make sure you guys use your own proper risk management, do your own due diligence. You should never be losing more than what you're willing, or you should never be losing more than you can afford in the market. So I'm not responsible for any lost funds. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion only. But other than that, oh, it's because we have a Fed speaker talking right now. He's talking about interest rates. But other than that, again, make sure you guys are subscribed. For the people on TikTok, make sure you guys are following. Go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys bangers for Watchlist. Yeah, let's run it up tomorrow. I'll talk to everybody then. If you guys are in the Discord, I'll talk to you guys in like 15